Today we will start our experiments for 4th sem diploma electrical and electronic student. And in our experiment class, the first experiment which we will conduct is the dimensional and material study of the parts of a DC machine. So we have two things. We have a model over here and a DC machine. We will show its parts by the use of these two things. Now students, before going to that, let us know what is the working principle of a DC generator. So as we all know in our theory classes, whenever there is a rate of change of flux linked with the conductor, an EMF is induced. Now exactly by this principle only a DC generator works. Now let us know what are the different parts which are involved in this experiment. So the first part is your yoke. Yoke is nothing but the outer covering of a DC machine. So let us consider this model. So I have a model, you can see this blue part, it is the yoke of the machine. It serves dual purpose. The first purpose is it provides mechanical protection to this machine, and the second, the path to the flux. Now students, the second part, we have a pole shoe. Obviously the pole shoe is inside. As we know, this part is our pole field or pole winding. Now this winding is only responsible to produce the flux. There are two pole shoe, as you can see, these two are pole shoes, and this is the yoke. Now number 4, armature core. Now this is the armature core, students, which is rotated over here. So this armature core is laminated. Why it is laminated? It is laminated to reduce the eddy current losses, and the material used in this core is of silicon steel type, so that its hysteresis losses would be minimized. Now students, the fifth part is your armature winding. As you all can see, these windings are brought forward by the help of these lugs. So these are now braced over here to the commutator. So the armature winding, the terminals are brought and are connected to the commutators. Now the sixth part is your commutator, which now I have told you. This commutator is not a continuous part, it is rather discontinuous. You can see there is a separation of these commutators, so they are insulated from each other. Now this commutator is tightly connected to a spring brush. As you can see the movement of this brush, as I am pushing this brush, it is rigidly connected to the commutator, and its function is to collect the current from the brush to the external circuit. Now students, this carbon brush provides you self lubricating property. Its advantages is very much higher as compared to your you can say copper brushes. So we rather prefer carbon or graphite brushes over your copper brushes. Now this was the parts, and the one another thing which I want to show you is this pigtail wire. Now this wire is your pigtail wire because this wire carries huge amount of current, and due to its liberation of heat is required, we have made this wire, or the construction of this wire is pigtail type. So this wire is also known as pony type wires, and it has been made intentionally. Why? So that the heat will be liberated easily and without damaging its insulation. So this was all about your parts. You go through this video. This video will be followed by another video which you will have the material to write about your experiment. Nothing, you do not have any observation in this experiment, and after this Prakash sir will now continuing this experiment, the parts which are essential for your practical extra knowledges. So now Prakash sir will continue.
गुड मॉर्निंग। मुझे जस्ट आम डीसी मशीन को रन करके देखेबी जोटा कि आम डीसी मशीन को आम बहुत जनरेटर कि मोटर भाव व्यवहार कर जोटा कि आम डीसी मशीन आम कौन कलेक्ट करेन्ट कर ना आम कौन मेकानिकल मैंने आउटपुट भी पाइपर। जस्ट एवं लाइक मुझे डीसी मशीन आम डीसी कंपाउंड मशीन जोटा कि आम 3 किलोवाट 220 वोल्ट फील्ड आमर हूँ कंपाउंड, यहाँ हूँ कंपाउंड, यहाँ हूँ सेल्फ एक्साइटेड 220 वोल्ट आमर हूँ यहाँ हूँ आरपीएम हूँ 1500 आरपीएम। एसबू आमर हूँ आमर नेमिंग प्लेट डीसी मोटर, यहाँ डीसी मोटर लिखाई मीन्स आमर डीसी मोटर माने यहाँ हूँ आम जस्ट आम मोटर लाइक आम मोटर बुलाया, किंतु आम जो डीसी मोटर को आम जो चाहिए कि आम एटा डीसी माने जेनेरेटर करने ये गोटे प्राइम मूवर लगे आम कौन आउटपुट भोल्टेज ही पाइपर ओके। हमको डीसी मशीन को हमको स्टार्ट कला हमको स्टार्टर दरकार पड़ी जोटा कि आम स्टार्टिंग करेन्ट को रिड्यूस करने स्टार्टर गोटे दरकार पड़ी जोटा कि आम स्टार्टिंग करने स्टार्टरटा आम यूज करूँ 4 पॉइंट स्टार्टर जोटा कि डीसी कंपनी मोटर ये 4 पॉइंट स्टार्टर को यूज करा। नेक्स्ट आम देखो यहाँ हूँ आम कम्यूटेटर जोटा कि कम्यूटेटर बुलूची जोटा कम्यूटेटर थ्रो आम करेन्ट जो आर्मेचर जो कंडक्टर अच्छी कंडक्टर तार कम्यूटेटर सहित आमर आटाचमेंट अच्छी जोटा कि आमर कार्बन ब्रश जोटा हूँ आम कार्बन ब्रश 90 डिग्री एंगल लगी जोटा कि आमर कौन करेन्ट कलेक्ट करने आमको सेटा यूज करा कार्बन ब्रश देख ये गोटे अच्छी ये गोटे अच्छी तापर नेक्स्ट है आमर यक यहाँ हूँ एंड कभर यहाँ हूँ आमर बेरिंग कभर यहाँ हूँ बेरिंग यहाँ हूँ आमर साफ्ट और ये आमर जो देखे सार देखे आमर जस्ट आमर मॉडल रे आमर फील्ड कोर्सू फील्ड कोयल ये सब भितर देखे आर्मेचर कंडक्टर भी अच्छी सब देखिपार ओके थैंक यू।